Welcome to Basket of Tales, a time travel into the world of stories.
Hello friends, welcome to the story time. This is Miss V from Basket of Tales, and I am here again with another story riddle from the tales of Vikram and Betal. Like every time, King Vikram tries again to catch Betal. After several attempts, he succeeded and carried him on his shoulders. Betal starts narrating another story but warns him not to speak anything else or he will go back to his place. This story is about a girl named Malati. There is a priest named Keshav living in Yamunanagar. He is the priest in the temple. One day, a man named Haridat visited the temple. Keshav asked him where he was from. Haridat said that he had been roaming around the world. Just then, Keshav's daughter Malati came to the temple. As soon as Haridat saw her, he expressed his wish to Keshav to get married to Malati. Meanwhile, at Keshav's house, a businessman came with a marriage proposal to get Malati married to his son Vaman. Keshav's wife accepted the proposal and promised that Malati would be married to Vaman. Malati's brother went to meet his Guruji and there he met his friend Madhusudan. Guruji told him that Madhusudan wanted to marry his sister. His brother immediately accepted the proposal and on behalf of his parents, he promised to get his sister married to Madhusudan. Later, all three, father, mother and brother, argued over whom they wanted Malati to marry. Just then, they came to know that Malati was bitten by a snake. Her parents tried her treatment but could not save her. All three, Haridat, Vaman and Madhusudan also reached there. After that incident, Madhusudan said that he could not live in the same city, so he went away to live like a saint. Vaman took the bones and roamed around in the forest. Haridat kept the ashes with him and started living his life in the same place. All three went their own ways. While Madhusudan was travelling, he stopped at a scholar's house who knows Sanjeevani Vidya. It is the Vidya which helps in bringing dead people to life. That night, Madhusudan stole the book of Sanjeevani Vidya and went to Haridat. Meanwhile, Vaman also came there. Madhusudan showed them the book and tried it. Malati came back to life and then again all three wanted to get married to her. At this point, Betal asked Vikram to tell whom should Malati marry now, as all of them have contributed to bring her to life. Vikram tells that she should marry Haridat because Madhusudan, who brought her to life, is like her father now. Vaman saved the bones of Malati, so he is like a son, so he cannot marry her. But Haridat lived at the place in memory of her, so he should marry her. Betal was very happy with Vikram's answer, but since Vikram broke the silence, he flew away. Vikram runs behind him again to catch him. I hope you enjoyed listening to this story. Let's see what happens in our next story. Stay tuned and see you all soon.